Hey folks, while I was filming my skincare daily routine video, I began discussing how and why I make a homemade face serum. When I was editing that video, I realized that the serum piece really should be released as a unique piece of content. So that's what this is. This video starts a little abruptly, but I pick up where I began explaining why I decided to make my own serum.
And I'll tell you how I figured out that I needed to do it. If I had a lot of time in the evening and I had cleansed my skin and I had restored the pH balance of my skin, I would indulge in a sheet mask. My favorite sheet mask of all time is the By Nature Rose Hip Sheet Mask. I just thought it was fantastic. I loved the way my skin felt after having that on for 10 or 20 minutes. So one day I decided I was going to look at the ingredients. As with all cosmetic products, the first 5 ingredients make up the majority of the product that's on your face. Water was the first ingredient, as it should be. Then you have aloe leaf oil, so that's, aloe vera juice or gel, not a problem. Glycerin is just a humectant. It's a product that holds moisture against the skin. The next ingredient, I don't know how to pronounce, so I'll make a dog's dinner, but it's a cetearyl olivate. Now what that is an emulsifier. It's the one ingredient that holds all the other ingredients together. So those are your top 5, but then I kept reading. After that, it's just a bunch of preservatives and a drop of hyaluronic acid is buried way deep. I tell you all of that to say, why do I need all the extra ingredients? I can produce the same thing at home using just aloe vera, rose water, rose hip oil, and squalene hyaluronic acid. I happen to have those things around the house. They aren't hard to come by. You can get aloe vera juice. I keep saying juice. It's gel. You can get aloe vera gel. Every time I say juice, I mean gel. Forgive me. In the natural food store or online. Easy to find. You just want 100% aloe vera juice. You can get rose hip oil, rose water, squalene, all those things from The Ordinary if you don't want to spend a lot of money. This was not hard. Like I could produce, 100, 200 sheet masks from these ingredients as opposed to spending $10 on 5 sheet masks. I literally just squeeze aloe vera juice into my hand, a little bit of hyaluronic acid, squalene, or I could have used rose hip oil. I just spray that with rose water, and that's it. If you have dry and sensitive skin like me, this should work for you. It will hold a lot of moisture against your skin, help your skin absorb that moisture. I don't know how to advise those of you who have normal combination oily skin. I just know what works for me. This is incredibly inexpensive and easy to do.
And there you go. I know this ends abruptly. Again, it was snatched out of another piece of content. But I hope you found this helpful. It is not difficult to make a homemade serum, and I hope that me explaining this demystified the process for you. As always, makeup and skincare doesn't have to be hard. I'll catch you later. Bye.